Hamster Kombat Season 1 is over, but that does not end the game. Season 2 just opened, okay? And in this video, let's discuss about Hamster Kombat Season 2, why you need to enter into the game immediately right now, and Hamster Kombat price prediction, why we are waiting for token allocation. All of this in this video. Watch this video all the way to the very end. If you are new to this channel, please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Right here, if you read this very announcement, you see the game does not end with the snapshot, and this is message coming from Hamster Kombat. We are now entering the interlude season of Hamster Kombat. The interlude season is the warm-up before season 2, and it will last a couple of weeks. Participating in the interlude and farming diamonds will give you an advantage that will come in handy in the upcoming season. So that means if you come right here and you join right now and start playing this very game, as I'm going to show you in this very video, you're going to begin to get diamond beforehand, and you're going to get some handy benefits before others that are not playing the interlude, or others are going to join after the interlude when the season 2 game is going to finally open. So I'm going to go right into season 2 and show you how to go about it before the price prediction. So if you go to your Hamster Kombat bot, you're going to see this very message. We are glad to present you interlude season. What's new? So you move on, and then you see this other message. If you click on that, what's new, all of your in-game achievements will be converted into hamster tokens. So if you click on how many tokens, I've never been serious on this account. We are calculating your result. They will be ready soon. So if you click on thanks, it will bring me to this very page, and new valuable asset diamonds. What else? So if I click on what else, then I'll click on what else again, and then they say check out the highlight of the first season, and then I say go. But the main thing here is that this very season focus on diamond, okay? And you're going to be getting this diamond and use this diamond to buy cards and play in your games. So if I click right here, so what next here, you see this very one, I have 91. So this is very important. So this, you have been playing Hamster Kombat. Now this very number vary from persons to person. So it depends on the number of days you've been playing Hamster Kombat, and then you're going to get this very reward. So if I click on next right here, you see 0 card. So I have been playing Hamster Kombat on this very account just for very few days. I've not been taking this serious, but for you guys that have been taking serious, or you have 2, 3, 4 accounts, then you will see that you will have some card right here. And the number of cards for your upgrade, this is what's going to show at this very point. And then if you click on next here, you're going to see coin end. Now, I do not have any card, but I have some coin end right at this very point. So you have 1.1 million coin end of my balance at the moment, right at this very point. And then if I click next again, it's going to take me to this very place, not included in the game, and then I'll click next. It's going to take me to this very point. That was awesome. Shall we play next? And then if I click on play interlude season, so once I play interlude season, it will bring me back to the Hamster Kombat page right at this very point. Now let me explain some things you need to take note of at this very area. Like I said earlier, the season 1 have ended, but that does not end the game, and that give me the view of Hamster Kombat becoming serious with their game. So if you click on this very area where you used to tap your coins, you see nothing is adding and this thing remains 0. And one thing you need to understand that this is an interlude, and more update and upgrade is going to come in later on. If you look at this very area, you see there are social handles, just like you join several social handles on the season 1, you have to join all the social handles as well. So if you click here and then you watch videos, for example, this one, sec delay Coinbase case, and then you watch this video, you're going to have 1 diamond. So if I watch the video, for example, then if I go back to this very area, wait 1 hour for moderation check to claim the price, and this will give me 1 diamond. And then if I go back and then you can join all these pages. What will happen is you're going to wait maybe 1 hour or plus to claim all this 1 diamond. So if you join this very tax, which you have to do, which is also necessary as we await the season 2 to come in full, you're going to have 1 diamond all of year. And then the next thing is invite 3 friends and get 3 diamond. And then if you invite 7 friends, you get 8 diamond. If you invite 10 friends, you get 12 diamond. And if you invite 25 friends, you get 35 diamonds. So like I said earlier, this very Hamster Kombat season 2 is all about diamond, okay? And like Hamster Kombat gave in their announcement platform, if you participate right now in this interlude of season 2, you are going to have an edge over those that does not participate in this season 2. So if you have not started mining for this season 2, I will leave a link in the description of this very video. Check it out. It will be the first link, and start mining right away. Or you did not mine at all, this is the first time you want to start, you can also start as well. The link in the description of this very video, you can start mining right away also. So this is the end section, so you can always come here and check this very hamster YouTube, and this news can change over time. The next thing here is friends. So if I go to friends right at this very point, so if you invite friends, 0.1 for you and your friends, and invite a friend with Telegram Premium. So if your friend have Telegram Premium, that very friend and you're going to have 0.3 diamond. The next thing I want to talk about is this profit per hour. So if I click on this profit per hour, you will see this very message: boost your profit. Tap the mining menu to buy upgrade for your exchange, and even when offline for 3 hours. So up to 3 hours. So I will start mining. So if I click on that, and then if you come right here, this is the mini cards, and we have mini games, and then we have games. So if you click on mini games at this very point, you see the games that is available, and you see this very message: more games coming soon. So if you click on this very game as well, so this very game option, we have all the games right here. And if you look at these games, they have all the diamond associated with them. And I will go back to this mini card. I want to talk about this in a moment. So the first thing here is my card. If you look at it, say buy at least 1 special card to enter the special club. And what to do then is to go to new card. We have a free card here. Every other card here, I have to pay for it. So for now, I will click on this very one, which is free. And then you say, when we have a detailed plan, we have half the result. Profit per hour. This is the profit per hour we have, and then 1 free diamond. So I'll go ahead, and then if I click that, processing from the new card section, after I click on that, it will go back to my card section, and you have to wait for about 6 hours for this to count down for you to receive that 1 diamond. If I go back to this new card again, and then if I want to play the first one here, let's say for example I want to play, say I have insufficient diamond, that means I have to buy diamond, or I have to play the games and get more diamond. So if you come to mini games here, you will see these 2 games, this puzzle game and this hexa puzzle. So you can play this game, and if I want to play this hexa puzzle right here, you see it will bring this up, and then I will click on play. Okay, so if I click on play right here, this game is very simple. This is how it works. So I want to play this game for a few times and show you how it works. So if I drag this to this, it goes with the color. So I drag this to this area, and then I put this right here very close to it, so that the next one that is on, since it's the same color, it will flip over to this very one that have the same color with this one. So because this one right here and this one have the same color, I can simply put this one right at this very place, and it will stack up to this very area. So if I put it here, you see that this one will go over, okay? And then right now, if you look at the colors at this very point, none of the color here matches with it. So I will just use this one and place here, and then this one will open. So this one and this color is the same. So I can place this here, and then it will flip over. The next thing is, if you look at this one and this very color is the same as well. So I can move this to this very area, then move this to this very point. And you see that The next one is, if you look at this and this one and this one, this one and this one have the same color. So I can put this here. Okay, see, I have 0.0012 diamond, and the game continue like that. So the next one here is this color is the same. So you can simply drag this one to this very point. That's it. And then if you look at this very point, none of this color is here. So what I will do now is to just put this here, and then this will come up. You see, this color and this color is the same. So I'll put this at this very point, at this very area, and then I have another diamond. Okay, that is how the game works. So you just play this game for the season 2 interlude while we are waiting for the season 2 to start properly. So this is how the game is played. So after playing it, you claim and exit. So I'll claim and exit right here. You say claim and exit. So I'll claim, and then it has given me this very diamond. Now I can use this diamond and go to mini card or my card and buy new card from this very area, because like I said, it seems to me that Hamster Kombat is going to make season 2 very lucrative, and that is going to be based on diamonds, using diamonds to buy cards. But let's see how things play out. Now, one more important thing here in this video is the price prediction. I am not expecting Hamster Kombat to be listed below 0.0001. That are 3 zeros, 1 and 0.0005. That is 3 zeros, 5. And the reason is because anything that go below that is taking it to be a meme token. Okay, and even some meme token nowadays don't have that low price value. So what I am expecting is, despite the fact that we are still waiting for the total supply, max supply, and the circulating supply from Hamster, I am expecting the price to start from 0.301 and 0.305, and from there we're going to see the price begin to shoot all the way to the upside. What that also means is that we are not going to expect the Hamster team to give you 1 billion token, or give you 1 trillion token, or give you 1 million token. You can get 1 million token based on the tax you've performed over time. That is fine. But the key thing here is, I believe strongly that the supply of the token will be reduced so that the token will be valuable in the market. So price range between 0.301 and 0.305 is my own price prediction start. And then from there, market is going to pump all the way to the upside to 0.001. And this is what I am personally expecting. And I also believe that the Hamster team will be fair enough for everyone. Okay, so for the fact that they still have season 2 that is incoming, the players will be happy. They will want to make the players happy so that they can come back and play season 2. Because if they don't do that, many people will not come on board for season 2. And that is why I am expecting something huge and something big from Hamster. So congratulations to all of us that have been mining Hamster all this while. Our sweat and labor is going to pay off very, very soon. And if you've not mined Hamster before, I will leave a link in the description of this very video. Check it out and start mining right away. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.